Morning. It's another lovely day, nice and warm. It's supposed to be 30 degrees later on today, so I'm going to try and get some paint on the van. Now, because it's so big, I'm going to split it down into 4 separate pieces. I'm going to paint this side first of all, then I'll paint the other side, then I'll paint the back, then I'll paint the roof. Might seem sensible to do the roof first, but this is the way I'm going to do it. So jobs are just tidy up around the window. There's a few bits of mastic want cutting off, degrease the whole van, mask it up, etch prime the aluminium and the plastics, and then give it all a coat of high build primer and then spray it white. And I'm going to do it wet on wet. I'm just going to hope this breeze dies down a little bit. It's not too bad, but as you can see by the trees and the wisteria moving about, it's a little bit breezy, but I think it'll be okay to get away with it. So let's carry on. Well, I was hoping to go wet on wet, but as it's so hot and it's quite breezy, it's getting a lot of overspray on the panels, a lot of just dusty, dry overspray. So as you can see, I've had to DA the whole thing off with 600 wet and 600 disc, just enough to take off the loose, dry dust that was on top. And now hopefully I can paint it. It's getting on about 2:30 now, I think. So I'm going to give it one more wash off with degreaser and the airline, blow it all off, and then I'll mix up some paint. And this time I'll start at the back, work towards the front, which is the direction the wind's blowing. So hopefully the overspray will get sprayed over. We'll see what happens. Well, that's one side done. Start on the other side tomorrow.